Hello, in this video I'm going to pronounce three symbols or three consonants. These consonants that I pronounce and continue is without voice. For example, the symbol have no voice. The first symbol are for food, fish, or labiodental fricatives. Labiodental is with the lower lips approach the incisor, and fricatives the heart does not meet a total obstruction in the opening. For example, is between lips pronounce f. Example, fishing is an interesting sport. Fishing is an interesting sport. Is the first. And the symbols is sh is how hissing, fricatives alveolar. Fish, sure. The tip of the tongue moves to the shock. Anashiels are red. Fish, shows, sure. Next are heard, think, so. Is interdental fricative. Is think big every day. For example, think your pronunciation. For example, heard, think, throw. Interdental fricatives are three symbols. Different is f. Next, sh and is easy. And these symbols, some examples are so difficult, but it's necessary to practice for symbols and for words. In this case, for example, labiodental, the lower lips approach the incisor, is for food and fish. And fish, sure, hissing fricatives alveolar. And this is the sound fricative, for example, think big every day. Again, think big every day. Thank you so much.